e-cleaning at the menu. Okay, we press, this is filter check first, is 1 2 3 4 bars already. Then we go back, then there's a e-cleaning. Follow instruction, yes. Okay, it says here follow instruction 2 packs. So look over here, this side. Okay, there are 2 packs, so take these 2 packs and then first we open with this, the cleaning tank. Open this one. Okay, then we add 2 packs. It says 2 packs, right? Then this is what we do. Open up. Okay, pour them in to 2 packs. What is this? This is actually the e-cleaning powder, which is basically a citric acid. So it's mainly citric means lemon, so it's make it more acidic. So 1 pack done. Do the second pack. Pour them in. So all clear. Okay, then what does it do? Fill with 400 ml of water and mix thoroughly. So just tap water is enough. This whole tank is 400 ml. So just fill it up until almost full. It's okay because we have the cap. So, okay, then this is the cap. Then screw it in. Then you see there's a curly leg and a straight leg, right? Later on, I'll tell you where to position it. So you screw it tight. Okay, tight ready. Then it says mix thoroughly. What you do, you shake. Okay, it's tight, then you shake. Okay, it dissolves quite fast. So this is the citric acid water solution. So then you see the curly leg down here, right? Okay, so then we follow instruction again. Okay, come here. Okay. Okay. Please insert the cleaning tank. So insert where it says here. This is the compartment. You take it out, take up this one, put it at one side. This is the enhancer tank. Take it out. So notice it goes this way. Always check your tank and make sure that it is clean. So I can see some solution here. Okay. Okay, clean it. Now I also want to highlight, if you go lower, there are 2 buttons. Okay, the 2 buttons over here, 1 and 2. So when you press it in, okay, it will actually come up. It press and come up. Press and come up, press and come up. That is correct. A lot of times when you have problem, actually the salt, because the enhancer tank is actually made of salt, the salt may crystallize. So make sure you clean it up. Okay, that's why it's tight, and then sometimes it do drip. It's okay. So just clean it. Okay, now we put in the cleaning tank. Tighten ready, shake ready. Follow, put it in. Okay, push it in. Now we come back to the screen. So insert ready, okay. Next thing is please remove the filter. Okay, filter is over here. And install, it says the cleaning cartridge. When you take it out, this is the cleaning cartridge. Notice there are 2 legs and these 2 black rubber. These are very important because they are the rubber gasket. So slide these over. Okay, just press a bit because it's rubber, right? So this one also has the same 2 legs. Slide it up, take it out. Okay, then you see it's empty, right? Actually it's stuck in the hole. So what you do is just dig out, put it back here. This one also dig out. Okay, put it back here. Okay, then okay, now we put these 2 back. Follow the position of the hole. Press it in, then close it. Slide this back. Okay. Okay, it slides smoothly. Nothing needs any force. So once we're done, okay. Please put the cap on the secondary arm. There's this cap. Then over here with the cap, this is the cap that comes with it. Put it on the secondary hose. Now this is the secondary hose. Come down here and okay, we got a big hole and a big hole and a small hole. This one only needs a small hole. So, okay, this one. So basically we have a closed system. So coming back here, we continue. Okay, please start, then we can start already. So it's that easy. Okay, start. It says 3 hours. Okay, so 3 hours later we come back. Okay, thank you. 2 minutes. Okay, what I want you to do is notice that the water level has come down, and the thing I wanted to mention is that this hole should be at the bottom. Preferably it should be at this side, that one corner. Okay, this is the curly lake. Okay, but the water is being sucked in, that's why the water level is come down. Okay.